We are going to be installing a new detachable shower head. This is actually a very simple process. The first step is to remove the old shower head. After you remove it, you can see the plumber's tape that's left over. This can be difficult to get off. Use a toothbrush soaked in vinegar to help remove the rest of the plumber's tape. Now it's time to place on the new plumber's tape. Carefully wrap it around while maintaining tension. Make sure you keep it as straight as possible for the best outcome. Plumber's tape creates a seal between the shower arm and the shower head to make sure there are no leaks. After you've finished with the plumber's tape, it's time to install the dock. This is what connects the shower arm to the hose while allowing the shower head to be detachable. After you've tightened it as much as you can with your hands, use pliers to completely tighten it. The hose of the shower head will come with 2 washers. These create a watertight seal so that there will be no leaks. Make sure they are placed in the hose like so. Take one end of the hose and attach it to the bottom of the dock. Use the other end of the hose and attach it to the shower head. And that's it. That's how you install a detachable shower head.